Hey Thriver, I'm Crystal K and I help high achievers like you more easily eat better in our modern food culture. And I'm a big believer that it's not about willpower, it's about skill power. When you cultivate the healthy eating skills, you will find that healthy eating actually gets easier over time instead of harder. And as you practice those skills, they turn into habits, which is when healthy eating becomes effortless. Which may sound foreign because we learn in our modern food culture to go on a diet to eat healthy, to restrict, to calorie count, to ask the experts, what am I supposed to eat? What should I stop eating? Tell me what to do. But the truth is, you are your own best expert. When you wake up your own intuition and wisdom, you will find that you actually have all the answers. And I am here to help wake up that wisdom by giving you the skills for healthy eating that can then become healthy eating habits so that you can have your vitality back. You can ignite your energy. You can live a full life and let go of those mysterious aches and pains. I'm all about cultivating self-leadership skills to help you lead yourself through this otherwise maze of a food culture and gaining the kitchen confidence so that you can quickly and easily, without any stress, make your own food without any fuss. I'm all about smoothie solutions too, because smoothies are such a quick, healthy, homemade food that it really is a great skill to whip up a smoothie to match your mood and meet your needs. So you'll find a lot of smoothie tips here, you'll find recipes, you'll find self-leaderships, you'll find mindset upgrades, all to help you more easily eat better in our modern food culture. Because our modern food culture is anything but easy to navigate. In fact, it's very confusing. It's designed to make us want to overeat crap that directly causes disease and gives us ailments and mysterious aches and pains. So the only way to actually thrive in this modern food culture is to develop some skills and know-how. And my goal is to help get rid of all the confusion, to stop talking in science-ese, to use more stories to help you more easily navigate our modern food culture and eat with confidence. So I hope you stick around and hang out with me for a while because I am all about food being a great source of pleasure and health. Happy eating, Thriver.